Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to discuss about the Gibbs equations for non-equilibrium system. Next heading is Gibbs equations for non-equilibrium system. In exam, if they will ask Gibbs equations for non-equilibrium system, also you can write material equilibrium and phase equilibrium in short form. Material equilibrium, phase equilibrium in short form. Material equilibrium, phase equilibrium in short form, right? So now we will first discuss about the Gibbs equations for non-equilibrium system. So what is meant by Gibbs equation? Already we know that. So Gibbs means what? DG equation. So non-equilibrium, what will happen? We will see. First we are going to discuss some points. What are that? For a closed system, there would be a change. There would not any change in the composition. So hence we can apply the Gibbs equation. For closed system, there would not any change in the composition. Hence we can apply the Gibbs equation. So apply Gibbs equation, right? So whereas in case of open system, matter is exchanged with the surroundings. That means there is a change in the composition. Hence we cannot apply the Gibbs equations for the open system. So next point is when the system is considered in mechanical and thermal equilibrium at constant temperature and pressure, but not in the material equilibrium. So if we consider, so now I am taking G is a function of temperature, pressure, N1, N2, so on. Already we discussed this is so many times. G is a function of temperature, pressure, N1, N2, so on. After writing this, we can written, so dg, apply state function for that. Dg is equal to what? Dou g by dou t at dt at constant what? Pressure, remaining is N1, N2, so on, plus same dou g by, so P is there, dou P into dP at what? Temperature, pressure, so here it is temperature, N1, N2, so on. So after writing this, what? Dou G by dou N1 at temperature, pressure, N2, N3, so on. After writing this like this, so on, you will get, right? So after writing this, so we know that one equation is what? dG is equal to VdP minus SdT. We know that. So from that equation you can say simple. So at constant pressure, if I will take what you will get? Minus SdT you will get. So that minus, this means this dP is 0. So you will get dou G by dou T at P is equal to what? Minus S you will get. So in case similarly, same, at constant temperature means dG at T is equal to this term 0, you will get VdP. So that is what? Dou G by dou P at T is equal to V, you will get. So now substitute these minus S, dou G by dou T at P, that is minus S. You should write minus S here, you should write V, you should write here. What you will get? So you will get dg is equal minus SdT plus VdP, V into dP minus S into dt plus so on. You can write it is dou G by dou Ni at constant temperature, pressure, N1, N2. Here I am writing N1, N2, so on means Ni into dNi you can say. So now you can simply say that this term you can written as chemical potential. What is that term? This term, that is what? Mu is equal to dou G by dou Ni at constant temperature, pressure, N1, N2, so on. You can written as this is what? Chemical potential. You can written it is as chemical potential, right? So in final equation is what? So at constant temperature and pressure, dg at constant temperature and pressure, so what you will get? Constant temperature, this term 0, you will get what? You will get, this is mu1 into dn1, so that means you are left with mu1 into dn1. Next is what? Mu2 into dn2. Next is so on, mu3 into dn3. This is the conditions, this is the Gibbs equations for non-equilibrium system. So upon application of this system only contains the material equilibrium. So in case of material equilibrium, you should directly take this is alpha, this is alpha, this is alpha, this is alpha. Like this we will take, that we will see in the next derivation, right? Same, it's look like only Gibbs equations. So next heading is material equilibrium, right? Next, material equilibrium. Material equilibrium. So what is mean by material equilibrium? You should take the material. You should take the material. So in this, what happens? There is no change. There is no chemical reaction takes place. No chemical reaction takes place. No chemical reaction takes place. So you can say that. So there is no transport of matter from one part of the system to another part of the system. No transport of the matter from one part of the system to another part of the system. So if you consider, so at equilibrium, you can say, already you know that at equilibrium dg is equal to 0, already you know that. So first I am considering g is a function of same like temperature, pressure, n1, n2, so on. After writing this, already you know that, apply the state function for this. Dg is equal to what you will get? Dou g by dou t at p into dt at p comma n1, n2, so on. Same dou g by dou p at t into dp. So like this temperature here n1, n2, so on, you will get like this dou g by dou ni at constant into dni at constant temperature, pressure, n1, n2, so on, you will get. So already you know that what is this values? dg is equal to, this is v value, this is vdp, this is minus sdt. You know that vdp minus sdt, already in previous example, this is the chemical potential of the equation. You can say mu1 into dn1 plus mu2 into dn2 plus so on, you can say mu1 into dn1 plus mu2 into dn2 plus so on, you can say. So now you should write, if in material equilibrium, if alpha is one of the phase, what happens? If alpha is one of the phase means you should take here alpha, v alpha, s alpha, mu1 alpha, all should you take alpha is one of the phase. After writing the above equation, so you should simply write directly dg at equilibrium dg is equal to 0 and at constant temperature and pressure, so that means at equilibrium is dg is equal to 0, at constant temperature is dp is 0, dt is 0. What you are left with? mu1 into dn1 plus mu2 into dn2, that you can written as summation of mu I into dni of alpha is equal to 0. So this is, you can say condition for material equilibrium in closed system. Already one of the another line in the syllabus copy, condition for the equilibrium in the closed system, that is nothing but material equilibrium and phase equilibrium. Phase equilibrium we will discuss in next class. So that is what summation of mu of alpha into dni of alpha is equal to 0. That is about material equilibrium. In next class we will discuss about the phase equilibrium. Thank you.